this section we have an Oxford entrance test question over here, and then we are going to solve this. Now if you are new here, please like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified anytime we post a new video. So let's quickly look at the question here. So we have 27x here plus 9 here being equal to 9 to the power x plus 3x plus 2, right? So in this case, what we are going to do is to group like terms in the first place. So since we have to the power x and to the power x's, let's group them at one side. Then we take this one to the other side. So we have 3x plus 2, then minus 9 in this case, right? Now from here, what we can do is that since the lowest base here is 9, all we can do is to write this in terms of 9. So we can have something like 9 to the power x, and then also 3 to the power x here minus 9 to the power x equal to 3x here. Now this can be written as 3 to the power x, 3 to the power 2, and also minus 9 in this case, right? So over here, since we have 9 to the power s, 9 to the power x here, we can quickly factorize that out. So we have 9 to the power x here, and then we have 3 to the power x minus 1 here, and then let's write this in this way, rather minus 9, right? So over here, what we can do is to, we have 3 to the power 2 is just 9, so we can bring 9 outside, and then we have 3 to the power x here minus 1 here, and then also we have the 9x here, 3x minus 1. Now what do we see in this case? You realize that on both sides we have 3 to the power x minus 1 on both sides. So quickly what we can do is to send it to the other side, right? So we have 9x here, then 3x minus 1 here, minus 9, and then we have 3x, sorry, is to the power minus 1 here, being equal to 0 in this case, right? So from here we can take 3 to the minus 3 to the power x minus 1 here, and then also 9x minus 9 equal to 0 in this case, right? So we have 3 to the power x minus 1 being equal to 0, and then quickly we can just continue the whole thing here. So we have yes, 3 to the power x being equal to 1 in this case, and therefore from here we can have yes, so in order for us to find s, what we can do is, so realize that straightly from here, x here is just equal to 0 in this case. X here is basically equal to 0. So in this case, this is what we have. S is basically from here equals to 0, and then from the second part, 9x minus 9 here being equal to 0, we have that 9 to the power x, remember, is to the power, equal to 9, and therefore we have x here being equal to 1 in this case, right? So therefore we can have x being equal to 0 or 1 in this case, and that will be the values for both of the equation. So thank you very much for joining me in this session. I hope this session was helpful, and I'll see you guys in another session. If you are new here, please like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified anytime we post a new video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in another section.